Unearthing the magic. Exploring gardening treasures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: gardening treasures. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a world of meaning and curiosity. Join us as we explore what makes gardening so special and uncover the treasures it hides. At first glance, gardening treasures might seem like a straightforward term, but it's packed with imagery and emotion. Gardening is not just about plants. It's an adventure, a pursuit of beauty and satisfaction in nurturing life. The treasures are the rewards reaped from this labor of love: the first bloom of a flower, the taste of a freshly picked vegetable, or the sight of a butterfly enjoying the fruits of your work. Gardening treasures can be understood in two main ways: literal and figurative. Literally, these treasures could be rare plants, unusual flowers, or a bountiful harvest. Figuratively, the term speaks to the personal achievements and emotional fulfillment one gains from gardening, such as peace, satisfaction, and a connection to nature. Gardening is more than a hobby. It's a way to connect with the earth, understand the cycles of life, and contribute to environmental conservation. It teaches patience, care, and resilience. Every gardener knows the thrill of seeing their efforts come to fruition, making each discovery a true treasure. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of gardening treasures. Gardening is a rich and rewarding experience, brimming with surprises and joys that enrich our lives in countless ways. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or someone who's just starting to explore this wonderful world, remember that every seed planted is a step toward discovering your own gardening treasures. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening!